My name is Nicholas Judd. I'm a second-year master's student at Harvard Divinity School, and tonight I'll be reciting for you Musa Ka's 1929 poem Kharnubi, which means the century, addressed to his spiritual guide Sheikh Amadou Bamba in response to a drought and famine in Senegal at the time. Serin minyon gidetinan, fakir dafaynan lo dagan, nagulip lulunyan, dafyalan yat al-Kharnubi, nyon gidagan Mustafa, minak marwat aksafa, ak-akki amdi Mustafa, Miyal Jebel Kharnubi, Ak-Aki Mbolem Ayrakam, Ak-Aki Sen Bayinuam, Ak-Aki Sehi Bambaam, Dafyalanat Al-Kharnubi, Mbolem Murid Yebamitu, Tere Chubaka Yinuju, Balunyu Bay Bay Yinugu, Serin Bige Sul Kharnubi, Bakay Dangay Borom Imbos, Tesarin Jabot, Tawakilot, Nudef Ma'aban Tarparet, Malaputo. Au mamakam dilawo, uay muridin yomawo, nitawatal tebunyuo, saulamin yayo Kharnubi, teji mawak bani taret, ngirya madefan tarparet, yafabi khamkham neyoret, Ci samahol, ci Kharnubi, te bulmatan kamplucinyan, ngir lima bon te kuanyan, muridi ye palakonyan, ngir begede kal Kharnubi, joy parental and joy, bonu fabule nuniwoy, Kunu yafal bandafikoi, Miyal Jebel Kharnubi, Jisnu yai tenyungiram, Kunyak yai kain nampamam, Bura tebotnu galadam, Rogan nimbolem Kharnubi. Thank you very much.